Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library here to show you a recipe from Maangchi's Real Korean Cooking, available for checkout at your local branch. Today's recipe is Korean-style curry rice, which is quite hearty and veggie-packed. For the ingredients, you're going to need unsalted butter, pork loin or flank steak, potatoes, a large onion, a medium carrot, water, and a package of Korean curry powder, plus cooked rice of your choice on the side. Step 1. Heat your butter in a large skillet over a medium-high temperature. For step 2, you're going to add in your cubed meat and stir-fry it until it is no longer pink. This takes about 3 minutes. Step 3. Now you're going to add in your cubed potatoes, and you want to stir fry these until they are slightly translucent, which takes about 3 minutes as well. For step 4, add in your onion and carrot and stir fry until they begin to soften, about 3 minutes. For step 5, you're going to add 2.5 cups of your water, cover, and then turn your heat down to medium and cook until the potatoes are tender, which is about 10 to 12 minutes. For step 6, while the rest of it is cooking, mix your curry powder with the remaining half cup of water in a small container. Once the time is up, for step 7, you're going to uncover your skillet and add in your curry mix. Then let it simmer, stirring for a few minutes at a time until your sauce is thick and creamy. For step 8, if you want to cool down your curry, you can either turn off the stove or remove it completely from the stove. Then ladle the curry into prepared bowls of rice and serve and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.